My name is Shelly Kunishige, and I'm with the Hawaii Department of Transportation. I'm joined today by Bruce Kawakami, who is our Oahu District Maintenance Engineer. And again, this meeting is being recorded. If you do not consent to being recorded, you can leave the meeting and find the presentation on the HDOT website on our presentations page. So our agenda today is going to be a brief overview of what is a traffic emergency zone and why we are seeking it for this section of the H2, followed by the current status and the repair plan going forward. So traffic emergency zones are codified in the Hawaii Revised Statutes, section 264-1.5, and it authorizes the Director of Transportation to designate certain state routes as traffic emergency zones for the purposes of expediting repairs. And the reason why we're seeking it for this section of the H2, this is a section we had previously repaired, and the bridge joint, which is basically what allows the concrete, the pieces of the concrete deck to expand and contract without forming gaps that would impact motorists. Has degraded. So I'm going to turn it over to Bruce at this time to talk about the current status as well as what we'll be doing to repair.
Okay, the current status is yeah, the joint failed, and so that's why we're gonna remove and demolish that existing joint steel, and then we're gonna install additional reinforcing bars to try to make it a little bit stronger, and um we're also using, like, I guess, this fast setting concrete material so that it can cure faster, so we can try to get the traffic moving again faster. And then also we'll be installing the compression seal into the joint. Currently, I think this will be, yeah, we're gonna be doing all of this soon. The I think it's this weekend we'll be working on trying to get the concrete stuff ready, and then when we get the joint, that rubber joint or that gasket in, then we'll be installing that.
Okay, thank you, Bruce. So this area of the H2 is 2 lanes. So we will be closing one lane continuously from Friday evening at 8 p.m. until approximately 4 a.m. Monday morning. So it won't be the same lane. We'll work on one lane and then move over to the next lane. And that is scheduled for this weekend. Pending any questions from those of you who have joined us. So if anyone has any questions, I can go back to various slides, and we can explain kind of the plan again. I'll give it about 2 minutes. So at 12:35, if there are no questions, I will end the meeting. Okay, go ahead, Lisa.
When you move over to the next lane, are both lanes going to be closed? And then which lanes are affected?
So it'll be a single lane at a time. So Bruce, do you know if they're going to start with the lane closest to the median first and then move over to the right lane?
I'm not sure. I have to go check with the contractor, but yeah, the idea is we work on one lane. Once the concrete sets up, then they'll switch over to the other lane, and so you'll always have one lane open.
So is that both? Oh, okay. So there's two lanes only in that area.
Correct.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
Okay, any other questions? If not, I will conclude the traffic emergency zone hearing at 12:36 p.m. Thank you for joining us.